modules? When do the modules due? Tonight.
I thought they were due tomorrow.
Anything out of that, 50%.
Today's Thursday.
Oh, so it's due at the end.
Today's
tonight.
Thursday, guys. Today's Thursday.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
What the? You this week flew. Ooh!
Hey.
Let me cook. Let me cook.
Has low heat energy. No, nobody fell for that one. That's good. How come we can't? We move from areas of high temperature to low temperature. If it has high intensity, right, it's going to be moving to areas where it isn't, right?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all got it. I just realized
Cannot
3 were
destroy
right.
it, and we have 3 methods of transfer. Cool.
Awesome Vega. How is he?
Awesome Vega.
Bro, no, let me click it. Thank you.
Aha.
I get so mad.
I got it. Did you get it?
You're almost there.
Oh, it's coming out, bro.
I'm listening to. I'm watching you play.
Pick some. Oh, you got 30
no.
seconds. You got 30 seconds. Go ahead. I didn't see the time. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet.
I'll shut up.
Wow.
Me.
The coolant into the radiator, we're moving the coolant into the radiator through forced convection. We have a heat pump. But the actual heat moving don't have caps, but you will encounter those that do, all right? And it's just a preference thing. The manufacturer does what they want, individually. So cool. So this is what it's going to look like, all right? Now, it's not just a cap, folks, like you got on your Coke bottle or something like that. Check slide 36 out. You can read slide 36. All right. Actually, slide 36 and then 38 and 37 on slide 38 is actually a valve. Almost every radiator cap that you'll see in this configuration has a valve in it, a pressure valve, okay? Spring loaded, and if you notice on this cap here, this one's even got a pressure on it. Okay,
You gotta
it's got a
scroll
pressure
all the
on it.
way to 38.
So you can look at slide 38, what that valve looks like, okay? It's got a spring, it's got a rubber seal, it's got 2 rubber seals, right? You're gonna have a rubber seal on the top side of the cap, and then you have a rubber seal on the bottom of the valve, slide 39. And if you want an animation, I got one on 37 there, so this is what the cap does, okay? The cap is a valve, and it's actually designed to let coolant out. When would we ever want to let coolant, and oh by the way, it doesn't just fall into the ground, it gets captured. Why would we ever, when would we ever want to let coolant flow out of the system? Not when it's cooled down.
When it's building up too much pressure.
When it's hot. So 2 things happen when this engine gets hot. Number 1, as a matter of fact, the coolant, it gets hot and it wants to boil a little bit, but the boiling point has been increased by the pressure and the substances inside the coolant, okay? All right, so look at
Like
the plastic fence,
anti-mod.
take a slide 41.
That shit is crazy.
So that's where the coolant's going. So what do you see? You
Well,
should
that's
see
niggas.
2 levels on the tank.
What the fuck?
So what does it say?
You that much of a
Full
bitch?
and
You have a you don't put a turbo
Okay,
on
good.
it, nigga?
Now, that's not always
Some
what
pussy
it's gonna say on there, okay? And you can go over here to slide 42.
That's some whole shit.
And you can look at, and you can read that slide if you want to, describe the tank or what it does. That's not all it's gonna say on there, right? Now, come on, now there are 2 different kinds of these tanks. Come on over to slide 43. All right, let me come over here, please. You go on board.
Corolla.
Slide 43. You can look at slide 43 and slide 44. Look at them here. All right, slide 43 and slide 44. All right.
I had a nickname I was driving a Toyota.
Damn.
Slide 43, slide 44. All right.
He's an Audi
so
guy,
what's the car
bro.
that we're working on? We're looking at slide 43.
Alright, we here in the garage doing our lab for today. You know. So, hope you're doing good. Hope your week is going good. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah. Gang gang. Mike.
Let's do this also.
What are we looking for?
Loki.
Check the level.
Check the level of the water pump.
Check the what?
The coolant level, we checked that.
Take off the radiator cap.
I didn't
know it was that deep. And that's why I realized you give me a 16 out of 20. Oh shit, this is the engine? Yeah. Watch out, look.
It says to just check it if it's good.
You know what? Let me not open that.
Wait, which one? Because you know how every other
10
one
minutes.
they be having.
I don't know if he drove this shit. That's it.
Passenger body with a coolant?
Nah, this shit cold as fuck.
Nasty a little bit, but
Yo, Cardi, which one's the coolant? Or no, which one? This one?
Yeah.
You got a flashlight?
But yo, I always forget my flashlight upstairs. What the fuck?
The line gonna tell you.
That shit not full.
It is.
On this one, where's the reservoir?
It's over there.
Wait, no.
Oh, I'm not even close.
Wait, no, that's the brake fluid. That's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Not even close. That's the power steering.
Wait, what? So where is it?
Where's the reservoir?
Tell me.
it doesn't.
What the hell?
It goes.
Wait.
It goes through the radiator.
Damn, we looking bad.
It goes through the radiator.
Yo, what's the name of the thing?
No, it's not down there anymore.
It'll be at the top.
It's not here. It's not this.
No.
Did it not look like that?
Bro, it's supposed to be another tank, basically.
reservoir?
A reservoir.
Gargo.
It's
Some
going
systems
through
don't have a
here.
tank.
So it's
going
just
through here.
this.
It's going through here.
So it's just this.
Just open it and look at it. You see it? There's coolant in there?
There's no coolant in there.
nothing. There's not shit in there. That shit.
This actually could be the
What's that?
reservoir.
What the fuck is that?
Jesus Christ, this car is nasty.
Oh, Dooley! Can you look at your laptop, 2011 Dodge Ram, to see if they have the
Hold on,
water
hold it
pump?
Water pump. You mean with a reservoir? The coolant reservoir, if it has one. What is that, Mo?
Coolant?
Don't smell like coolant. It shouldn't smell like
It would be sweet smelling
Find
if
the
it was
reservoir,
coolant.
find the cap.
This shit don't.
Does it go through the radiator?
Let me see what. Oh, very good.
Ah,
All right.
come on.
And how do you check the level? You can't see into it.
Let
Ooh.
it stick.
This has a dipstick. See if you can check the level on that.
W Sam.
Take it out.
She said that.
Okay, well, but where? But it's turning and the belt's not. So how is that possible? Do you feel how that belt when you move it back and forth, it's kind of like it still wants to keep going. Feel that, okay? Why? How can you move that and the belt is it moving?
it's disconnected.
That no, it's not disconnected.
The engine is not running.
This is the clutch.
The fluid
The
coupling.
clutch is exactly as the clutch is thermally controlled. The clutch is fluid.
Okay.
It is a
Clutch is
fluid
okay.
coupling.
Okay.
Okay. So you can feel the fluid by
that's what
moving.
that is.
You feel it's like
The drag is the
It's like
fluid.
sludgy
Yeah,
in
the
there.
drag is the
That's
fluid.
Feel it.
Yo, that's fire.
Good coolant is transparent, cloudy, milky, or rusty. The transparent, yeah.
Yeah, if you could close that, please.
How do I even use it?
Is it break?
Look in there.
What you're doing?
Maybe.
See the hair?
Okay.
Look.
All you do is
Wait, so is it?
see that? Basically a thermal image of the engine.
Oh shit, it's cold. Fuck, they had me feeling nice wearing a short sleeve. Now I'm about to die.
Degrees. So, feel me? That's the fluid that keeps. That's why he's talking about what keeps the fan moving.
cold right now,
It's the
bro.
fluid in there.
I'm fucking freezing.
It's clutch fluid.
Okay.
How much heat I got in my? Where's my heat?
Your face.
My face.
There'd be some type of like
It is. How my
greasy
hands?
food or something like that.
It's not as hot as your face.
It's cold.
Yeah.
What about this guy?
Close to ATF.
Yeah, close to ATF. Close to
Same thing. His hands is dumb hot though.
My hands is cold as shit.
Or no, my fault. It's like your jacket. His hoodie is hotter.
Oh yeah, I'm not mad. We work this.
I'm 80 degrees. Okay, so when it says check the fluid
can
level,
This shit
feel
is
the
mad
fans on
hot.
this
Whatever
shit?
this is right here.
Just put radiator.
What's up?
We're missing the shroud. The whole shroud should be around.
I'm supposed to feel.
Go see me here.
Extra work.
I like this class.
You don't.
This came out of
I'm going. I got my cap off. I bet.
using a shop jump break.
Is it this one?
I think you check the work on the big cameras.
I bet.
Overheating slowly, folks. Folks, sometimes that's what we gotta do. Tomorrow,
2025 tank.
Yeah.
That's it. Now you undo it.
feel the hose, feel the hose. That's what you're doing. You're putting pressure off the system.
Yo, what happened to the coolant? That shit, nigga, knocked that shit.
Yo, it's gonna open the cap.
So ideally you want to raise that up before you do that. Go ahead.
Oh shit, that shit was gonna come fucking running out.
Push down other way. Yup. Brody man. Put it down.
I had to go back to regular.
Dang.
Put the cap on.
Oh shit. Yeah.
I celebrated too early.
I
Shit.
gotta just accept him.
Now you know who to not take your car to.
This is how it is.
Yeah, don't take it to me. I'm still in the learning phase, so don't take it to me. Give me time.
Not everything.
Brother, line up the notch. Push it down.
Alright.
Yeah, my brother.
Nice. Now show him something, Tyrell. Yeah, I need to start doing it like that.
I had to take a.
Alright, W day. Going home. It was calm. Got our education in. Education. Peace, love. See you guys tomorrow.
And avoid baby mama problems.
Yeah. And bless me with a like too. Stay safe.